friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make butter beans masala. This is a very healthy side dish as butter beans is rich in vitamin C which helps for growth and development of your body. This side dish best goes with chapathis or rottis or even with pulavs. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of oil to it. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow it to splutter. Then add few curry leaves and 1 green chilli cut into 2 pieces. Then add 1 onion very finely chopped. Saute well until the onion turns transparent. It's been 2 minutes now and the onions are nicely done, so go ahead and add 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute well until the tomato turns mashy. After 2 minutes, the tomato is nice and mashy, so let's now add the spices. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Saute well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now add 1 cup of butter beans. Mix well for 2 minutes and make sure the masala is well spread. Now add 3 cups of water and mix it well. Allow it to come to a boil. Let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the butter beans is completely done. You can also pressure cook for 3 whistles, but this method will definitely taste better. Give it a mix in between. Now the water has started to reduce. Continue to cook until you get the perfect consistency. The final consistency is totally optional. If you're serving this for chapathi or roti, you can go with semi-gravy texture. If you're serving this along with pulav, you can go for masala consistency. Now I have the perfect masala consistency, so off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and delicious side dish recipe. So do try this butter beans masala recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.